So if you are looking for any employment opportunity, let's say in Canada, you can go to your website, which is called eJob Bank. You go to www.jobbank.gc.ca. Then you can search for whatever opportunity, skilled or unskilled laborers. So for example, truck drivers. You see, this one posted October 24, per hour uthola $23.64. As bonus, all these opportunities, there are a lot, guys. There are a lot. Some of them is salary yakhona, I think you negotiate uyakhuluma. So there's just a lot of them. Then you click there, basically, so you apply on the website. But when you apply, you make sure that your resume is ready so that you can do your application. I think you also create a profile, as you can see up there. You can create a profile as a job seeker. Or some, if you're an employer, those employers there, they create profiles, bafake lama job opportunities there. Then when as a job seeker, now you create a profile, then ufake a resume yako. More like a CV, but your resume is short and job specific. Okay, guys.